today, and today I am going to harvest the sunflower seeds. Look at this. Hello friends, how are you all? This is Shalu and you are watching Hotpooriz Kitchen, Living and Gardening. In this episode, we are going to discuss how to grow giant sunflowers in your home garden. Now to grow these beautiful sunflowers at low cost without buying expensive seeds packet, you can do the same thing which I did. So here are two kind of packets. Both of them are bird foods. It has only giant sunflower seeds which the birds usually eat. And here I have, it's a bit heavy, this is 5 kg bird food. It has corn and sunflower, so you can extract them and germinate the seeds. And when you grow these seeds, you will get beautiful giant sunflowers. One of the best thing is, from those sunflowers you can again harvest the seeds when they are dry. So let's start by discussing how to germinate these seeds. I like to extract comparatively bigger seeds from the seeds packet as it will give huge sunflowers. So let's start. Here is the wet kitchen towel, and I have placed few sunflower seeds. There should be some distance among these seeds. What I do is I will cover this moist tissue over this like this, and from time to time I will sprinkle some water. You may choose that box which has some holes which you get from the grocery stores, and cover it. Place it in a shady area for like 2 or 3 days. The seeds will germinate. This is the third day. Heat and moisture has done the trick, and I can see a hefty germination. So let's sow these seeds right in the soil. See? Okay. One more here. Oh. So here I got 1, 2, 3 and 4. Tada! Here we have hundreds of seeds again, which you can either offer to these little fellows or plant them again. As you can see, we are left with hundreds of seeds again for planting.